Someone once said that throughout life, the person you are is caught in a certain painful development, torn between the longing for what you're leaving behind and the dreams ahead of you. This might be true, but in my opinion, this is a part of life not to be eschewed, but to be embraced. As such, I have no advice for those who would rather elect a certain state of perfect life and remain in that state forever. For those more interested in living, however, I will offer this advice based on my own limited experience.
First, realize this.
You will never be educated.
Not enough. Or let me rephrase that. Let's hope you'll never feel educated enough. If you do, it just means you've lost interest. Never lose interest. Show interest in other people and what they do. It will help you make friends, as long as it's the right kind of interest. The wrong one
will give you enemies. Don't shy away from your enemies. The people who oppose you are the same people who define you. Without understanding them, you cannot expect to understand yourself. Question your beliefs, but never stop believing that the world can be changed.
The willingness to change things around you is like a muscle. It needs to be flexed and trained in order to work its best for you. Leave your comfort zone and do one thing that scares you, at least once a week.
This will not only open your mind, but it will help you gain insight into who you really are.
Be honest about who you are, and you'll soon stop worrying about how you are perceived by other people. Speak your mind, fight for what you believe in, but have an open mind. Change your mind if necessary, but only if you're making an informed choice.
The ability to give voice to your true opinion in the face of peer pressure is easily learned in a friendly environment, but more important, in a hostile one. Work to achieve the former, and you will help get rid of the latter.
Listen to old friends, to family and old people.
To music and poetry. They are all great sources of information about life the way you'll never live. Respect their choices and experience, but question their conclusions. Study, live.
Your mind is the greatest instrument you'll ever own. Learn how to use it. Stop watching TV. Life is what happens among people. Enjoy it.